everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So quickly, I wanted to come to you guys and show you about my hair. So the last time in my video, the Wash It Go featuring the As I Am products, I did state that once I use the As I Am twisting cream for a twist out, that I was going to come and show you guys the finished product and see how it looked. So this is my twist out. It's been in for, I would say, probably about almost 2 days now. So I haven't really had anywhere to go, so I just kind of let it air dry, just stay on my hair, and now I'm ready to take it out. So normally what I do whenever I am getting ready to take out my twist for my twist out is I just add a little bit of the you've probably seen this before, the Frizz Buster anti-frizz, my bad. So I just, you know, when I get ready to pull the strings out, I just add that to every one of the twists just to kind of help out. I do live in Florida, so the humidity sometimes can be really crazy, and the weather lately has been horrible. It's been hot one day, cold the next, raining, whatever. We've had it. So right now, that's all I'm doing really, is just kind of rubbing this on all of them. I don't want to get them too saturated, and sometimes if I do have the option to let my twist out stay in a little bit longer, it does help, because I do feel like on some of the products, not even just the As I Am, it makes it a little greasy, and I kind of like mine's not too saturated in product. So yeah, let me just stop talking, and I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I'm just gonna show you just how they look. You see, I mean, it was definitely, the curls, I mean, are there. I really honestly enjoy the As I Am products. And if you guys haven't noticed, I got my nails done. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out really quick, and so that I can show you all how it looks. So I've taken all the twist out, and this is pretty much what it looks like before I get to pulling them out and separating them. Now, if you have noticed that my background is a little different, let's just say life happened. Life happened, and I have just been going through it, and I wanted to definitely, you know, I want to keep up with my videos and make sure that I'm coming to you guys as much as I possibly can. So I just decided, hey, let's keep it simple. We just, you know, it's a short video. So as I said, that I'm just taking strand by strand. Now I have a problem. This is one of my biggest things. Like, I'm so quick, and as you see, like, I'm already making it a little frizzy. Forgive me. But if you ladies know, take your time when you're separating your twists. I mean, I like the kind of frizzy fro look. I mean, I don't want it to be overly frizzed, but just make sure that you take your time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and untwist the rest of them, fluff out my hair with a pick, and come back with the finished product. Okay, everybody, so I'm back, and this is pretty much the finished product. I was gonna say this is as good as it's gonna get. For whatever reason, I can't find my pick, and I have like 2 of them, so I didn't get to really pick it out, but this is it. I really think that, you know, I am going to keep the As I Am products in my routine as far as when I'm wearing my natural hair, which for the last year and a half, I've been wearing my natural hair probably 80% of the time. So, like I said, this is it. I hope you guys like. Make sure before you leave that you go down below, either down here, and hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you share, like, and comment. Follow me on my social media, which I'll display right here. And I'll be back to you guys soon with another video. Possibly will be a makeup video. I don't know. I want to be honest that this whole YouTube thing is still fairly new to me, and the setup and everything is a little bit stressful. So I'll make sure that I'll be coming to you guys soon with another video, and I will start my vlogging. So make sure that you keep an eye out for that. Have a blessed day. Bye.